This is a quick tutorial on how to add teams and riders to the 2025 SuperCity Teams Championship. So the first thing you need to do at supercityteamschampionship.co.nz is register yourself as a user of the website. Once you've registered, click the link here to sign in or use the login link on the menu. When you log in, you'll see you can change your access credentials if you need to, and just below that is the option to add a team. After clicking add a team, add the team name. You can add a description or come back later to do that. Select the category you want to race in and save the changes that you've made. The next thing you'll want to do is scroll to the bottom of the page and click this link to make payment. It will open a new window where you can use a credit card to make the $500 payment if you're meeting the early bird deadline, or $600 after that. With your payment made, you can close the payment window and start adding riders to your team using the Add Rider button. I'll add my first rider. Before the first race, we'll need their emergency contact details. For now, I'm going to save this rider and then click the team name to return to the previous page, where I can then add another rider to my team. You can have a roster of up to 10 riders from where you can select your squad for each race. When you return to the site later, click the login link. You can go back to your team by clicking on the name, add further riders, or return to the payment link if you need to do that. And just like that, we're in business.